Welcome to the Hotpot capital of the world, Chongqing.
Can you speak English?
Oh yes. Do you need help?
Please, I don't know what to order here.
I'm the food blogger. I'm professional. Do you mind to join me?
Sure.
Food blogger?
Thank you.
Yes, come on. Lucky me, I have the food partner today. Wow.
Hi.
What's your name, please?
My name is Miguel.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
Is this your first time in Chongqing?
Yes.
Okay, and shall we get started?
Okay, sure.
Okay. And welcome to my
Yummy Planet.
Is this your first time to have the hot pot?
Yes, but I had this before, this cheesecake.
No way! No, it's not cheesecake, but it's
What?
made of beef oil.
Beef oil?
Yes! It's the soul of Chongqing hot pot.
Okay.
You can use this and pour the water into the pot and boil it. And then we have the broth
Okay.
of the hot pot.
It's gonna melt. Nice.
And we can dip different ingredients in the hot pot
Okay.
and eat. Is this too much for you?
No, not at all.
Help yourself.
Okay. Oh, thank
This
you.
is for you.
Nice. This is very good.
Wow. People in Brazil eat spicy food?
Usually not, but I would like to try.
Oh, don't worry, because the level of spiciness of a Chongqing hot pot, just like the steak, have a
Okay.
rare, medium, well done, blah, blah, blah. So today, this is the rare.
Oh, perfect. Oh, and you also eat like chicken feet.
You said also, do people in your country also eat this chicken feet?
Yeah, there are people that eat, but for example, we also eat like pork feet, pork ears in our like national plate, which is feijoada.
Wow.
Yeah, you should try it. It's very
Yeah.
good.
Perfect.
Yeah.
You will definitely like this.
Okay.
And we can start.
Okay.
And then we try the chicken feet
Okay.
first.
Here?
Oh, yes, here.
Okay.
You know
Nice.
that in the middle of the Chongqing hot pot is the most non-spicy part.
Oh.
On the side, it's more spicy.
Okay.
And we can put some meat
Okay.
in it.
So, what is this sauce?
This is the typical dipping sauce of the Chongqing hot pot.
Okay.
Inside, it's the sesame oil and minced garlic and a little bit oyster oil. Yes, and this kind of dipping sauce can lower the heat and reduce the spiciness.
That's perfect for me, I guess, right?
Yes, and then we can try the ingredients.
Okay.
Chicken food is for you.
Thank you.
Welcome. It's a little bit hot. Be careful.
Okay.
How do you feel about the spiciness?
Very spicy. Oh my god, this is very spicy. But it's good. It's very spicy.
Bon appétit.
Let's see.